Okay, so this is a short video covering profit target goals. My name is Money Duck or Butch Wampler. So tonight we're going to cover profit target goals. We're going to go over and explore what a monthly, weekly, and daily profit target goal is, basically what they are, how to decide on a proper daily profit target that we need, why we need them, what happens if we don't have them. So what is a profit target goal? Basically, our monthly target goal, this is how much profit you need to make per month to get by. First off, we're trying to replace your income. So how much do you need to make per month? Not how much you want to make when you're shooting for the stars. How much do you need to make to get by? And then, of course, the weekly is how much you need to make each week in order to meet your monthly profit target goal. And daily is, of course, how much you need to make each day in order to meet both your weekly and your monthly profit target goals. That's how much we need to capture per day. So our objective, we're going to determine how much you actually need per trade per day to meet your profit target goals in order to make a good living. After all, that's what we're in it for. Okay. So first off, we're going to substitute our income first. That should be your first goal in trading. So we need to determine what our monthly profit target goal is. So this is really simple question to ask yourself. How much money do you really need to get by each month to live on? And you got to be honest with yourself. Basically, what does it cost you to live each month? We're talking about your car payments, your food, your gas, when you go out to eat or movies, you got to have something for entertainment in there, your place to live, your utilities, cable, phone, your cell phone bill. What do all those add up to? And that is what you need to live on each month. Okay. I don't know what that number is for you. Everybody's number is going to be a little different. Okay. But you need to write that number down. That's going to be your monthly target goal. So the overview of the goal kind of looks like this. Okay. We're going to look at each goal that you're setting up for yourself. The monthly target goal, that's the number you just wrote down. This is the goal that you'd like to see over a 1 month trading period. Okay. The weekly goal, this is the goal that we need to achieve each week in order to meet that monthly goal. And it's a quarter of it. So whatever that monthly goal is, I've got 2,000 wrote down there off to the right. So if $2,000 is your monthly goal, then a weekly goal would be 1/4 of that, 1/4 of that amount, which would be 500 per week. That's it. There's 20 trading days in a month. So providing you're trading at least once each day, then you can achieve these goals. Now, you'll have to make a little exception if you're only trading, say, 4 days a week or 3 days a week. Then you'd have to adjust, your numbers, not the 2,000. You want to stick to the 2,000, but you would have to change your weekly target goal, and that would also change your daily target goal, because your daily target goal is a fifth of the weekly. There's 5 days in a week, so a fifth of that. So a fifth of 500 is 100. Okay. So if we trade each day and you just make $100 per day and do that every day, all 5 days of the week, you'll get 500. All 20 days of the month, you will get 2,000. And that's a small target. $100 is a small target. So I want to look at that and show you on a little bigger scale. Okay. Because you can have massive growth just by scaling up that trading over a 12-month period. Okay. So the first goal is to make $2,000 each month. So your initial trades, what we're looking at is 1 trade per day, $100 per day. And you want to get consistent. So you want to do that over a 3-month time. Okay. So if you look at a calendar and you start today, month 1, 2, and 3, you're going to trade 1 trade a day for $100 a day. That's it for the first 3 months, and that is $6,000 at the end of the 3 months that you'll have banked in your account. So what we're going to do the next 3 months, month 4, 5, and 6, is basically we're going to double our trades. So instead of 1 trade a day, we're going to look for 2. That's it. But the 2 trades are still only going to be for $100 target on each one. So again, we're just doubling our trade. So for the last 3 months, you've traded 1 trade a day, $100 a day. 1 trade, $100. That's it for 3 months. So the next month, you're just going to double your trades. You're going to look for 2 trades. You should be good at it by now. You just spent the last 3 months doing that. So you're going to double your trades. 2 trades per day at $100 each, $100 each. That gives you $200 per day. You're going to do that for 3 months, month 4, 5, and 6. That's a total of $12,000 during those 3 months. The next 3 months, 7, 8, 9, we're actually going to double our contract size, because for the last 6 months, the first 3, you placed 1 trade a day, targeting $100 per trade. The next 3 months, you spent 2 trades a day. You look for 2 trades a day at $100 each, which gave you the $200 per day. Now you're just going to double your contract size. So whatever contract size you were trading, you're going to double that, and you're still going to do 2 trades per day. And that's $400 per day. You're looking for 2 trades, still that same $100 target, but now you've doubled your contract size. So your target hasn't grown at all. This whole time, your target has not grown at all. Your tick size, your target has not changed. Because right now you're still looking for 2 trades a day, but you've doubled your contract size. So now you're getting $200 per trade, or $400 per day. You're going to do that for 3 full months, and that's going to capture $24,000. Now, the last 3 months, month 10, 11, and 12, for these 3 months, you're going to double your contract size again, because by now you've built up equity in your account. You should have a cushion. And it doesn't matter if you're trading a live account or if you're trading a funded account. Okay. You should have a cushion in there now. And with that cushion now, and you're just going to double your contract size again. We are still only looking for 2 trades per day at that same tick size. That's it. You're not looking for a further move. And this is trading your base trade. Okay. So with this, again, we're looking for 2 trades per day. Again, you've been doing that for about 9 months. We started off 3 months with 1 trade a day, $100 a trade. We did the next 3 months with 2 trades a day, only targeting $100 per trade. And then the next 3 months, you still just did 2 trades a day, but you doubled your contract size. And now what we're doing in month 10, 11, 12 is we're doubling our contract size again. You're still only looking for 2 trades per day, but by doubling your contract size again, you're locking in $800 per day. And that 3-month total, because it's $16,000 per month, that 3-month total right there is $48,000 for 3 months. It's $16,000 each month. Here's kind of what it looks like on a timeline scale. This is 1 year. So we're going to add it all up. Basically I got January, February, March here. It doesn't matter when you start. Don't wait till next January. Start when you start over the next month. We've got August coming up here next week. So what we would do is actually just start next week. Okay. So month 1, 2, and 3, you're still going to look for 1 trade per day, just locking in $100 per trade, and that's it. And if you look down below, that's 6,000 for the day. And then the next 3 months, you're going to do 2 trades per day, still targeting the $100 per trade. The next 3 months, 2 trades per day, but you're going to go for 200 per, you're going to be doing 200 per trade because you're doubling your lot size. Okay. So the first 3 months, 1 trade a day, second 3 months, 2 trades a day. And then the next 3 months, you're going to double your contract size. And that's how you get the 200 per trade. And then the last 3 months, you're going to double your contract size again. Okay. So it's 400 per trade the last 3 months, which is 800 for the day, because you're going to do 2 of those. And if you tally those all up, it's $90,000 for the year is what that amounts to. So this does not account for any runners or losses. And what a runner is, if you get into a trade and you close out most of your contracts, but let 1 or 2 contracts ride, move your stop to say break even, and it keeps on moving and you capture more, then this doesn't account for any runners, as well as it doesn't account for any losses. So if handled correctly, your runners can outweigh your losses. So that trade management on that's very important. All right, so that's it, guys. That's the end of how to go from 0 to 90,000 in a 1-year period.